So today I'm going to be showing you how to crochet your very own slalom square. This is one of the 20 free squares available from the Here Comes Treble Blanket Cal. I'll pop a link to it in the description below. So all you're going to need is your preferred yarn. I'm doing mine in a DK weight, and the hook that goes with your yarn selection. So I've gone for a 4mm. Each of your finished squares, once blocked, will measure 8 inches by 8 inches. Start by making a slip knot, inserting your hook and pulling tight. We are then going to make 31 foundation double crochets. I strongly recommend taking the opportunity now to double check that you have the correct number of stitches before we move on. Chain 1 and turn, and row 2 is 31 double crochets. At the end of row 2 you're going to chain 1 and turn, and then row 3 is also 31 double crochets. Chain 1 and turn, row 4 is 31 double crochets. Chain 1 and turn. Row 5 begins with 3 double crochets. Next we're going to do a front post treble crochet, and we are working into the stitch not of the row just below, but the one below that. Next we go into our repeating section, so 7 double crochets. And then we do a front post treble crochet 2 rows down, like so, and we are going to repeat this twice more, and finish with 3 double crochets. Chain 1 and turn. Row 6 is 31 double crochets. Chain 1 and turn. Row 7 starts with 4 double crochets. Followed by a front post treble crochet. And then we're going to the repeating section, so 5 double crochets. Front post treble crochet, double crochet, front post treble crochet. And we're going to repeat that once more. We're then going to do 5 double crochets, a front post treble crochet, and 4 double crochets to finish. So we've now got 7 rows in, and you can see the bottom of your zigzags starting to form here. Now don't worry that it is trying to pull itself down slightly. By the time that you have blocked it and added in all of the other squares to make your blanket, it will sit perfectly flat. Row 8, so chain 1 and turn, 31 double crochets. Chain 1 and turn. So row 9 begins with 3 double crochets. A front post treble crochet, double crochet, and front post treble crochet, we're now going to go into the repeating section. So 3 double crochets, front post treble crochet, double crochet, front post treble crochet, double crochet, front post treble crochet, and repeat that once more. 3 double crochets, front post treble crochet, double crochet, front post treble crochet, and 3 double crochets to end. There we go. The bottom of our zigzags is becoming even clearer. Row 10, if we chain 1 and turn, is 31 double crochets. Chain 1 and turn. Row 11 starts with 4 double crochets. And now the repeating section. So we're going to front post treble crochet and then double crochet. And then we're going to repeat this 10 times. After your 10 repeats, you're going to do a front post treble crochet followed by 4 double crochets. Chain 1 and turn, and row 12 is 31 double crochets. We now have 12 rows done. Chain 1 and turn, and row 13 starts with 5 double crochets. Now for the repeating section, so front post treble crochet, double crochet, front post treble crochet, double crochet, front post treble crochet, 3 double crochet. And we're going to repeat that again. Then we front post treble crochet, double crochet, front post treble crochet, double crochet, front post treble crochet. Only this time we will 5 double crochets. Chain 1 and turn. Row 14 is 31 double crochets. Chain 1 and turn. Row 15 starts with 6 double crochets. And now for the repeating section, so front post treble crochet, double crochet, front post treble crochet, 5 double crochets. We're going to repeat this once more. Then we're going to front post treble crochet, double crochet, front post treble crochet, and this time we're going to do 6 double crochets. So that's 15 rows done. Chain 1 and turn. Row 16 is 31 double crochets. Chain 1 and turn for row 17, which starts with 7 double crochets. And now for the repeating section. So front post treble crochet, and then 7 double crochets. We're then going to repeat this twice more. Chain 1 and turn. Row 18 is 31 double crochets. Chain 1 and turn, and row 19 is 31 double crochets. And there you have it, your beautiful slalom square.